What's the meaning of British summertime? British summertime. British summertime.
British summertime. British summertime. British summertime, BST, is the daylight saving time used in the United Kingdom during the summer months. It begins in late March and lasts until late October. During this time, the clocks are set forward by 1 hour to take advantage of the longer daylight hours and give people more daylight in the evenings. This is done to save energy, promote outdoor activities, and boost tourism. The practice has been in place in the UK since 1916 and is observed throughout the country as well as in other regions around the world.